Many students get depressed when they fail in the exam or when they get less marks, because of which they feel ashamed and start believing that success is out of their reach. But to be completely honest, failure is a good thing. Can't believe it? Tune in till the end to find out how. Reason number 1, you learn from failure. Failing isn't always great, but you know what? It's a learning curve. So, rather than seeing failure as a negative thing, embrace the failure and develop a growth mindset. The best example of learning curve is the great scientist Thomas Edison, who failed hundreds of times until he had his breakthrough. Similarly, J.K. Rowling, author of Harry Potter, faced rejection 12 times before a publishing house accepted it. So, don't get depressed when you fail. Instead, give your 100% to convert your failure into success. Reason number 2, failure makes you stronger. Failure can pull you down, but you know what? It also makes the person stronger. Because when you fail and you learn from your mistakes, you automatically become stronger. So, if you have failed in your exam, then get back on your feet and push harder to show that nothing can pull you down. Reason number 3, it helps you to get rid of fear. Most of the things that we fear are somehow interlinked with failure. Fear is the primary reason because of which most of the students hold themselves back and stay in their comfort zone. So, instead of dwelling upon failure, embrace it and learn from it. Reason number 4, new opportunities. Many a times, failure can take you into different stages of depression. So, instead of focusing on the negative things, focus your energies on all the positive things. Whenever you face a failure, ask yourself these 4 questions. First one, where did I lack? Second, where did I go wrong? Third, what skills do I need to learn to avoid failure in the future? And fourth, what can I learn from this failure? Doing this will motivate you to work harder. Reason number 5, it gives you a glimpse of the real world. School teaches you a very linear path to success. Pass this test and you will be rewarded with good marks. But in the real world, success is not always predictable or straightforward. So, learn from the mistakes you made and stay consistent to achieve success. So these were the reasons why failure is important. Also, if you are going through the stage of failure, then motivation is the key to get out of it. You can click on this video if you want to know how to stay motivated. Until then, goodbye.